One of the important part in firewall is to create the schedules or to define the schedules. This will help you to apply the rule based on schedules. For example, there is office timing, which is from a specific time to specific time. There is a weekend, or there must be night time or daytime. So depending upon the schedules, you might apply the firewall rules. So this is extremely important that you should understand how the schedules are defined and how the schedules are created. If I click on firewall and if I go back here to settings, you will see here schedule. So here we can define the schedule. So let me create a schedule. I will define the first schedule, which will be, for example, night time. Make sure that you add underscore into it, night time to block internet. And here you can choose, of course, specific month, specific date, or specific day even. So I will not be choosing any specific day. I will choose all Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I want to define a time here. So start time for night will start by 10 o'clock maybe. So I will choose 22 and it will end at 23:59 because we cannot have overlapping time here. It will be 10 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. I will add this time. Again, I will add one more time, which will be all the days, and it will be from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. So this is night time till morning. So I will simply add this time also. You can see here now the configured range is Monday to Sunday, this time to this time, and then Monday to Sunday, this time to this time. So I will simply save it. Now you can see here that our night time is added over here from 10 o'clock till 11:59 p.m. and then is from 12 a.m. till 6 p.m. So it means that at night time I want to apply a specific rule. So this is the schedule we have created. Then we can of course create a schedule for the weekend. For example, I will choose Saturday, Sunday. But if you want to do it for a specific month, so you will not click here, you will simply click on that specific date. For example, if you are creating for specific dates, you will choose that date only. So this way you can define the schedule, of course, or maybe I want to create a specific time where I want the servers to get the internet access and update the servers. So I will just click plus here, server update time. I will choose, for example, Friday, and on Friday I want to allow only from 12 a.m. till maybe 2 a.m. 2 hours for servers to update. So I will simply click on add time. Now you can see here on Friday for 2 hours from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. this particular schedule will work. Save the changes. You can see here now we have server update time on Friday for 2 hours, and then we have night time. So which means that I can block the traffic from the server internal to external all the days, all the nights, but only on Friday I want to allow them so that they can update themselves, and then that's it. So this is of course one of the options why you would create a firewall schedule. You can define it based on the network requirements. So let's continue to next video now, where we will look how the firewall rule can be created based on the schedule.